Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I'm just going to keep it real with you guys. For some reason my EOS utility is not working right now. That means that I cannot control my camera, I cannot see what I'm doing right now. I don't know if I'm in focus because you all are so far away from me right now. Okay, that just went out of focus, didn't it? I'm going to try and not move. So I just want to tell you guys that I'm really sorry if this video is not, the lighting's not great. I have no setting, like I cannot do anything right now. If anyone else is experiencing the same thing, I believe it's something to do with the Mac update to the Mohoji, whatever it is. But yeah, small issue right now. But we're going to get on with this video. With half the Christmas background sorted, kind of. And hopefully this will be the only video where the background is not sorted. But I wanted to get this video done and like I needed to do it today. So this is what we're doing. Like, I hope it's not super dark, you guys. I'm really sorry if it is. I will try and like mess about with the settings like when I'm editing, but yeah. So anyway, I'm going to get straight on with this video. It's kind of an exciting one. You guys might remember from also ring light blinding me right now. It's very late at night. I'm tired. The dog's outside crying. And yeah, the world is against me right now when it comes to YouTube. Everything is telling me to stop bothering. But I'm not. My hand might be orange. Whoops. I'm not stopping. So anyway, let's get on with this video. This is what we are going to be reviewing / trying out today. I got this. I think I might have showed you this in... When did I get this? Did I get this from the pound shop? Oh, I think this might have been from the pound shop. I thought it was from B&M and I thought it was like 3 or 4 quid, but now I'm trying to remember back. I think I might have got this from the pound shop, in which case I'm excited because the fact that it was a quid makes me excited. Anyway, I have just started playing about with my hair because I was waiting to try and sort the computer out. And then I was like, you know what, I'm just going to have a go doing it old school style without plugging it into the monitor and see what happens. And here we are. So I'm going to put some gloves on because I think one of my hands might be going slightly orange. Good times, good times. So this is the Schwarzkopf Live Pastel Spray. And it is in the shade Apricot Sunshine. Wow, these gloves are big. Big enough? Big enough? I hope we're still recording right now, you guys. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out. My hair is very light and it's also got some sort of silvery tones to it. Well, you can actually see that it has worked though, a little bit. So I'm going to go, like on the picture she shows you just like doing her ends. And I think that's what I'm going to go for, you guys. I think I'm just going to go for like mainly the ends of the hair. So basically it says onto towel dried or dry hair to just like, you know, spray it on. Which is what we're doing. But obviously, the only thing I'm concerned about is it's going everywhere. Like when you, like it's gone all over me and stuff when you're doing it, so. I am in my pyjamas right now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, keeping it real. Living the YouTube lifestyle right now. But yeah, I'm kind of excited about this product. It doesn't last long. It's only supposed to last up to like 3 washes. Which is, you know, fine for a quid though, but I bet it's supposed to be like 4 quid probably, depending where you buy it from. Like, I didn't even know this existed, I literally just saw it, and when I saw it, it was on its own as well, so whether there were any other colours, I don't know. But it does do it in different colours. Now, look, see? I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my god, I'm going to have like tan lines. So luckily the clothing that I've got on under here is black, so it won't like show up. But wow, it's really difficult to see with that ring light in my face. So, you know, what are we thinking so far, you guys? I'm wanting to go back ginger. I know, I've only just gone back blonde. Well, I've been blonde for ages now. But I've only just redone my blonde roots. But you guys should know what I'm like by now, so. So I mean, I guess I could have done this on dry hair. I was thinking I needed to do it on wet hair, which is why I was like rushing to get it done tonight. But I do think that you will get more of an even result if you do it on wet hair. Right, so if we just compare the colours, we have definitely got some colour going on now. I actually really like the colour as well, and I kind of want to do all of my hair, but I know I'm not going to get like a super like I'm not going to get it all covered, and it'll look less silly if I've just done the ends, but I do kind of want to do it all. Let's just do the rest, like the other half of my head. Ooh, let's try it like this. My hair is so knotty, it won't even brush. Ow! I hope that you can see what's going on, guys. I'm kind of like, there's not much I can do in terms of like video quality right now. I love it though, like look at the difference. Bearing in mind as well, because I have got like the grey tones, the colours will kind of like just cancel each other out a little bit. So probably like if you've got more of a whiter colour to start with, you might get more of an orangey result. It's coloured the hair in my brush anyways. It would be cool if they could make something like this that lasted a bit longer, I reckon. Ow! Son of a... Okay, I wanted to get a bit higher up at the front. So as I've gotten to the top, I've done it a lot lighter and I've done it so like it's more like streaks at the top, if that makes sense, rather than like all of the hair, whereas further down I've tried to get as much of the actual hair in as I can. Right guys, I'm going to go to the mirror and just do some finishing off bits, and then I'm either going to let it dry naturally or blow dry and then like see what we are coming up with. Okay guys, so this is the end result. I have managed to get my monitor working again now, for anyone who was worrying. I've sorted it out. Now it is a couple of days later, so my hair's had time to sort of settle a little bit. And I'm hoping that you can see the difference from like before to what it's like now. If I'm being honest with you guys, I think this is a really, really cool little product. I really like... So, I'll just say, okay, I was, obviously because it's a spray, I did get like orange splatters all over here. It's kind of messy because it's a spray and it can kind of like spray everywhere. In terms of whether the product works, yes it does. However, I haven't washed my hair yet, so I think when I wash it, there'll be very little left in. However, that's probably kind of the idea behind it and what most people are going to want from it. So I really, really like the colour that it's gone, and this is what colour I want to do my hair next, I think. Maybe a little bit more orange, but I'm thinking from now on, when I'm blonde, I might go more of a rosy blonde. I think the warm colour suits me more than the more silvery colour, if that makes sense. And also, it will be easier to get my roots. Like, my roots do go more of a yellowy, orangey blonde than a silvery blonde anyways, so yeah. But I just wanted to show you guys how this looks like once it's dried. I felt like it had made my hair a little bit greasy, but it doesn't really look it. Like, if you look at it now, like, this is a couple of days later as well. Obviously, the strange thing about it is that you put it on your hair and you don't wash it off. Whereas like most products, even like semi-permanents, you'll put it on wet hair and then wash it off, and then that's what your hair will be like, if that makes sense. Whereas with this, you wash your hair, you spray it on and let your hair dry. So yeah, but I mean, my hair's not like crispy. It does feel slightly like there is something in it, which is just, obviously it's going to feel like that, but not in like a bad way or anything like that. Hope that makes sense. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the results, and it's pretty easy to use. You're not going to get like the most like perfect, like you can see here, like I didn't spray much of it on these bits, but I wasn't really bothered about that. So I know you can spend more time putting it on and get more of an even result. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I actually really like the product, and I might see if I can get some different colours. If anybody has like, if anybody wants me to do like some more of these with different colours to see what they look like, then let me know. But yeah, I might be doing my hair a colour anyway, so I might not be able to do it until the summer. But I've probably used about half, if not less, of this bottle, so I would be able to get another probably like full head spray out of it. So there's just a bit of a reference for you guys, how much is in the bottle, how much I've used, etc, etc. I'm giving this product a thumbs up. I think it's a really cool idea and I really like it, and I think it's turned out really well. You're probably going to want to make sure that your hair is light for it to work. If you did this on like a brown hair, you wouldn't really be able to see anything. There might be a bit of an orange tinge to it, maybe, I don't know, but yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then like I said, give me a thumbs up and leave the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.